What's good, y'all? We are stuck in traffic right now. Leg day. We're going to San Jose for a Illiminate meet tonight. They're having like a Work Wheels collab car meet, so we're gonna go over there, cloud chase. Y'all already know. And yeah, we're gonna kick it, man. See some cool cars. You know, see some buckets. I'm a little late because I gotta go pick up this motherfucker right here. She a little shy, but this is Amy, y'all. Yeah, that's my sister. My long lost sister. Oh shit. So, but I pull up to the rooftop right now. Hey, hold this.
I got you.
My videographer.
Flip this.
I'm paying her in violet.
Is it recording right now?
Oh, hello police, bruh. I got no front plate. They right there. We in San Jose right now, so
This shit don't zoom for shit.
oh yeah, it's my white lens. We in San Jose right now. And I got oh what? I got no front plate. I always get put over here, so hopefully we'll be good. How's my lip? Is it hella like I put hella Vaseline on it?
That shit glistening.
Shiny? Yeah, look like I was eating ass and shit, huh?
Yeah.
Is my head hella big? Fuck yeah. I don't, hey, this kid friendly. What is that? Oh shit! That was better. I was smack the that Prius.
It's not focusing.
We a little late, so I'm about to be next to the buckets. Thanks, Amy. I had to pick this girl 40 minutes out the way. You. What the fuck?
What is?
This is permitted, so I think.
Oh.
Permitted. What is it? Why are
I
you?
think you said permanent.
Permitted. I don't know. You know what I mean? They got a permit. Oh, what do you got put over? Damn. Not bad, not bad. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Yeah, what's up, man?
I'm being the best videographer right now. Yeah.
I thought it was some kid. You look hella young. You look hella young. Yeah, you blend in. I was like, who's that? I didn't know it was you, man. What's up, Nick?
Oh yeah, look at this shit right now.
Oh, he wet. What's up, guys? Loud ass fender. Whatever that is, not bar joint fender. I don't know, man. I don't know what's broken anymore. But we made it here though. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It's a lot of traffic in here. Oh, look. Yeah. Hello? Okay, now I hear you. Hello? Wow, don't say no. T-Mobile. Hella people. Hey, this server popping. Popping ass server. Oh, hello, Brian. Excuse me. Oh, we what? Hell no, Rari. Look at Danny with his freaking work wheels.
This shit hot.
Oh, I like this color though. That's fire. Oh, this my boy Kenki. Oh, that's my Kenki. So, okay, the first time I met Kenki, he put up to me. I was like, Calvin. He said, Kenki. I was like, huh? I was like, what? He said, what? His name is Kenki. That's why. What? Oh. Damn, bro, y'all up in the shop, right? They're trying to get the fucking whip, like. And fuck this, man. We're gonna try to pull up because they got us messed up. We next to the buckets, bro. We gotta go up to the cool area. I'm nervous now.
Why?
I'm not holding it.
Bruh.
I don't know if it's fun for you or not, but
Yeah, it is.
it is. All right, go ahead.
Gas. Look at all this green. Hey, Kirby's coming up here. This guy on the whole last mission right now. He walks way too fucking fast for me. Oh shit.
Oh, that was me. I'm about to pull up, man. Hell no.
Fat ass line now.
Oh, now there's a fat ass line.
Oh shit. You gonna cut them? Whoa, bro, you about to get shot.
What's up, bro? Oh, we up here, bro. Fuck that shit. Hell of a fucking.
Fuck, bro. Roll up your window.
Oh, I got on 10. It's the
Yeah,
same shit.
fuck.
Damn. Oh, she might stall, bro. I'm about to stall.
Bruh, stop.
I'm about to stall. I'm about to stall. Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, shit.
I'm fucking sweaty.
Hey, Sonny said he likes my videos.
Okay.
Hey, bro. doing, man? Good seeing you. Good, good. Oh, it's fun. Oh, my head hella big. What they fucking me?
Look at this fat ass head, bro. He showed me that he got like fucking.
Hey, my mom used to. She dropped me. So I got a dent right here. Fucking every week I drop around. There's some food over there. For sure, bro. It's all that fucking party right here. Oh shit. Dang, you bring it back to 2005 or what? Huh? You bring it back to 05? Yeah. Damn. Oh, now you wet. Get him.
Oh yeah, I got it really
That
good.
boy wet. And then you got blonde tips. He got money. Go up here. Calvin.
Everyone breaking that neck, bro.
My shit kind of wet.
I got POV right here. Shit crazy.
POV go crazy?
That ass ear.
Fuck you. Oh, he quite good.
Brother, what?
Brother, what? Brother, what? Should I park, man? My shit.
You're on the boonies now.
Chris Borges is here?
Where?
Right here.
Oh shit.
You what? Oh, you what? What's up, bro?
God damn!
Oh, Marcus! Marcus!
R.I.P.
Damn! Fake! Only record the wet shit, alright?
These right here?
Hey! Oh, Kareem! That boy Kareem with the shades on, like hella cool. Kareem! Oh shit, it's a Lamborghini. Oh, gin on Danny. Damn. Oh, he got a turtle at the emblem. Probably Samoan or something, or Tongan. Oh, Finman. You need Finman like that. Me? I've never even seen this before. Hey, you wet? I thought this was Brad at first. Okay. Brother wet. He's shitting on you. Hey, that's my dad card. If I were to be a dad. Cause now I'm daddy, I'm not dad, but when I'm a dad. You baby look hella small, bro. Drop the camera, drop the camera. Was it recording? Drop the camera. What? There you go. You got me looking like I'm 3'2". Look at Marcus' new color. I like this red.
For real. Shit, wait.
Nice red. Let me know when you get tired. Stop doing that angle.
Alright, let me do the one behind you. Walk in front of me. See what you see.
Fresh cut?
It's alright.
Alright. Oh, my twin. I'm not gonna lie, he got better headlights though. He got the halos, bro. Oh shit. Hella tight. Yeah.
Shame on you.
Shit on me? My point of view?
Yeah, like
A third person?
GTA right now.
Hella cool. Oh. Damn, helicopters keep spawning. Damn, bro, you got into an accident? You good?
That's fire or what though?
Damn.
He's jealous.
Oh, no.
Mine was like Goodwill or what?
For real. What happened? I caught him went out of business or what?
I got nothing to say.
Oh.
Caught me off guard.
Cut. Oh, hell no. Hey, that's you even take a shit. That's what that shit sound like, huh? You looking good today. We going on a date or something?
Nah, bro, I just came to work.
Up on work? Damn. It's like Fast and Furious in here, y'all. Oh. The SR?
Hella wet.
Oh. Okay.
Alright,
We out
we
here.
3 hours in.
3 hours in. We've been smelling fumes for the past like 3
Yeah.
hours. I'm getting a little up.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody see me do that.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel. We stuck. Well,
I've been
stuck.
I'm just trying to leave. I've been stuck here for like 13 years. I gained age.
Hella glad it's not me.
Huh?
I'm hella glad it's not me. You can never look cool walking down something. What the clip tells? Brother, what? Okay. You wet. My boy driving around a freaking boat. You wet. Saw with it. Damn. Oh. He wet. And his lights work. Carl just got a new paint job. Damn. Carl don't fuck with me no more. Damn. Oh, what? I put you on blast. What you just do? That boy just fucking vaped in the fire sensors, man.
No, that was my car.
Oh, free car wash? Damn. No. Man, that's tissue box. What? It says what?
I'll show you the video.
What video? Hamster commercial? You didn't drive it right now? This is a rat driving it. Hey! You didn't in there right now? Let's check. Let's check. Check. I'm gonna go check. Let's go check. It is? They hella mad, bro. We've been here for like 5 hours. Everybody's stuck. How you feeling, Amy? Hella mad? Fuck. We hungry as fuck, yo. We blocked in. What you think about the meat, bro? Fuck with it?
Yeah, she was cool.
It's cool. It wasn't that bad. It was lit. We just thought that we got stuck in there. We didn't even eat yet. It's what, 11? And allergies too. Give me allergies in there, bro. The fumes. How you feeling? Amy's doing the hardest job right now. She's trying to find out where to go eat at.
Fucking hungry. Tostadas Prime.
Tostadas Prime. I fucking Transformer.
Shit hella fancy.
Yeah. Oh, Kane. Nah, you in Cane's, bro. No, Danny's. Hey, I know Angie fuck with it. Yeah. But yeah, y'all. Cool day. Pretty I don't know. It was a little too crazy for my ADHD ass. Everything. I was like, whoa.
For days, bro.
No. I paid him. You know.
They got-
Oh, hey, bro.
No wonder.
Can you guys come up to me like at the meet? I'll give you guys $5 each.
Hella people too.
Yeah.
You're broke now, huh?
No, I'm paying like $50. No, like 10 people. Hey, I have an ugly ass wink. Do you have a nice wink?
She got ugly ass everything.
Look at my shit. Look, I'm like,
Uh-uh.
how you doing? You got one? You got a good wink?
Not for the camera. I'll show you.
My shit.
Look.
Oh, like that? Hold on.
You open your mouth hella crazy.
Oh, wait. All right. Catch y'all. Say bye, Danny.